Alright everybody, I'm very excited about this video. This is from a subscriber, Patreon member, good friend of the channel. His name is Jeremy. He sent me this box, and when I got it, I was totally surprised at how heavy this thing is. I have no idea what he put in here. I have an idea of what one or two might be. What else is in here, I have no idea, because this thing is heavy. It feels packed. This guy's got one of the biggest Zippo collections I've ever seen. And another good thing about this, and why I want to thank you, Jeremy, because the way it worked out in the mail and everything, I got this today. Tomorrow is my birthday. This is going to be like the best birthday gift you're going to get. So cool of him to do this. We just love him over here up in Canada. We got mad love for you, Jeremy. I'm going to start opening this. There's tape everywhere. Okay. There appears to be a lot of boxes glued to that. Nice. Oh, man. Holy crap. This is stuff. This is going to be a long video. Let's see what he wrote here. Wait, I'm just going to read over this, make sure there's no personal, nothing. I don't think there's anything he didn't want us to see in this note, so let's take a look. Let's take a look at what he wrote. Hey bro, I grabbed these to give to you. Some are new, some are old, most are Zippos, but I included a few that were not. I included some new Zippo inserts, all different brands. Every Zippo collector should have some Camel Zippos, so there is a couple. Same with Marlboro. I have some NFL Zippos, so I threw one in because America NFL. There are a few empty Zippo cases, so you can experiment on customizing some. And after, there are a few other Zippo products I thought you might not have. Nothing incredibly special, but these are some nice ones. Sorry about the chicken scratch handwriting. I never have a need to put pen to actual paper anymore. Fellow Zippo enthusiast, Jeremy. Man, handwritten note. Very cool, man. This is awesome. I can't believe that. What a great note. I'm gonna actually just fold this over so we can see what's going on here. Oh man, this is crazy. What do we got? Let's open these paper ones. Okay, so this is one of the Zippo cases he was talking about. It looks like it used to be a brushed chrome. It's made in the USA. It's a 2013 E. All right, that is sick. Okay, I'm gonna move some stuff out of the way because we're gonna be piling. Looks like we're gonna be piling some stuff up here. So that's sick. That's a customizable case. That must be one he was talking about. What's this? Oh, sick. This is like a Camel Ronson, but I guess it's not a Ronson brand. But I have an antique one that's just like this. Takes butane, I'm guessing. Or does it? Oh no, it takes actual fluid. So this is an actual fluid lighter. That's so cool. And you know what? I seen these in stores when I was a kid. I'd see them like this. I remember seeing them. They'd be in the corner stores and stuff like that. That's super cool. All right, what else we got? This is a brand Zippo F 2015. Bradford, USA. Another nice one, ready to go. A little TLC and love. Oh man, this is sick. And guys, you know what I mean? That's really nice of Jeremy, because that means too, I'm going to have some that I'm going to customize and work on, and I'm going to be giving away on the channel to regular folks like you guys, like not Patreon members, not super chatters, just regular guys like you. And so everyone can go thank Jeremy for that, because when you win this Zippo, don't thank me, thank Jeremy, because he's the one who donated it. Oh, what else we got here? Oh, an F13, Bradford, USA. So let's go over some of the inserts, I guess. Oh, look at that. Not a Zippo insert, just a random insert. Super cool. Definitely use that. Oh, it's got that. Definitely use that for parts. Or what's this one? Oh, this isn't a Zippo insert either. What is that? Cool. Another insert. And look at this one with the dimples on it. Huh. Never seen it like that. Chimney. What is that? Starlighter. It's got the West Coast Choppers symbol on it. Sweet. It must have come from one of those West Coast Chopper lighters. What's this thing here? HH. Whoa. Man, what is this? What is this sorcery? Ronson. This is an old one, man. Holy crap. Look how free spinning that wheel is. Look how cool that chimney is. That is sick. I love that. I don't think this comes out. I don't want to pull it and break it. Man. And someone with the initials HH owned it. A sick lighter. Oh, I can't believe that. What a cool concept too. I love that screw-on bottom. It just really feels like it's way better sealed. Really loving this Ronson lighter. This is an older one, and this is a really cool lighter. And it's very collectible too. I really like this lighter, man. Wow. I'm so impressed with that. Ronson had some really cool concepts. You know, Ronson definitely held its spot too. I know I'm Zippo fanatic, this and that, but I'm telling you, man, Ronson did some really cool things too. I definitely got to give credit where credit is due, because Ronson earned some. So let's take a look here. What else we got with this orange looking zip? Oh man, that's an old Camel. Oh sweet, and I got to re-weld the hinge, I guess. Perfect. Oh, and this is a real Zippo too, Bradford. It's an older one. Can't really read the insert. Oh, so it broke off there, huh? It broke off there. Oh man, that is sick. This is so awesome. And I do not have a Camel Zippo. Imagine that. Imagine that. All right, what else we got? There's so many things in here. I just love this. Oh, yes, I know this one. My boy T-Man has an unboxing video on these ones. He really liked them too. This is a, what is this, Marlboro or something? E2015. What company was this for? This is the North Star something. Oh, April 90s. Sick. Yeah, a vintage one too. Like I said, I see my man T-Man, he had a few of these, so that was really cool. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. That's what I'm mad about. But we will keep moving on, because there's a lot here. I can't have this video running way too long. Oh, nice. Which one's this one? Yeah. What is that, 95 or something? What's the V again? I can't remember. Where's our 94? Now, this is the Scrimshaw ship. Now, it's funny that Jeremy gave this one, because I had a brass slim from Niagara Falls, and it had the exact same ship thing on it, and I had this, it was broken beyond repair. They just ended up giving me a brass slim, and it was one from my childhood. So to get one, a full-size chrome, is pretty sick, man. That's awesome. Thanks, Jeremy. That's cool. I like the Scrimshaw Zippos. Oh, Flint felt came out of one. What else do we got here? Man, like these, it just keeps going. Oh, cool. JMR. This was actually Jeremy's. Those are his initials right there. This was actually Jeremy's. This was one of his everyday users, man. Wow, and he got rid of this. It is a... Oof, this is an old one. This is his from the 90s, man. Look at, and that's a solid brass. That's how it's going to tarnish. He probably used this quite a bit. It looked like he did use it. He cleaned it up some. Man, how cool. And like, you know what? Like that's cool, because like I know he used this and he probably really enjoyed this. And this was old for him and back in the day, and he gave it away. That's really cool. But also, again, he's probably got 200,000 lighters, so I'm not I'm not surprised he had many users back in the day. Oh man, this box just keeps going. What is this? Oh, what are you insane? He gave me a party poker money clip. A party poker Zippo money clip. Oh, no knife. That's even better than the one with the knife. Man, are you out of your mind? Jeremy, that is sick, dude. That is sick. And look, it comes with a little money clip guarantee. Oh, no way. This is insane. Nobody's ever done anything like that for me before, man. He knows I like poker, and I do have a party poker account. That is so funny, man. Wow, I love this thing. I cannot wait to show this to my one poker buddy, man. This made my day, dude. Like, I want to swear right now, but I know I'm going to be posting this on YouTube, so I'm not going to. I'm going to refrain. But that is awesome, man. That is so cool. Like, I'm not even, like, I just got half. Okay, this one tumbled out, so let's take a look at it. This seems to be brass. 04B. Eat, ride, sleep. Oh, cool. Is this a Harley one? Man, that's sick. Once again, thank you, Jeremy. Like, holy man, these are a ton of Zippos, dude. Like, that party poker Zippo money clip made my day. Oh, this one's brand new. The Texans, nice. Houston Texans, $29.95. Look at that. And you know what? I'm glad I got Texans too, because I like Texas. I know I'm from Canada, but I do like Texas. I've always been intrigued with the state of Texas. I always thought it was really cool. So that's cool, man. Texas. Houston Texans, NFL. My first NFL Zippo. I probably never would have ever spent $1 on one, but Jeremy made sure I had one, man. What a guy. I'm running out of room to put all this stuff. Whoa, what's this? Oh, this is a Zippo. It's a Marlboro one. I recognize the emblem. Dude, this is like an armor, quadruple wall armor Marlboro. Like, this is huge, dude. This is huge. Oh, look at the cool reveal, too. I like that case. Oh, sick, man. When is this from? Like, you can't even make it out because it's so... It's probably old, though. It's probably a 90s, I'm guessing. I bet you the insert will give me a more accurate... Might be a newer insert, though. I don't know. But it says it's 2015 insert, and I can't see anything on the stamp because there's a matte finish over it. But I'm sure Jeremy will email me or comment down in the comments what year this is. But, man, oh, my first Marlboro lighter. Dude, I didn't have one. And to get a cool reveal one, like, dude, this, I wish I had my scale here because this must weigh, I don't know, double, triple the weight of an armor. This thing is so heavy. It's got double on metal plates on it, man. Like, this thing is heavy, dude. Wow. Thank you so much, Jeremy. This is a very cool lighter. I love this. Oh, what the hell is this? Zippo 03. Unopened. Man, that is cool. It's got some plate on here. Some sort of, it's not a Venetian design, but it is a really cool design. Man, what a cool Zippo. And this is also really heavy. Whenever you have a Zippo that's going to have the plate on it, it's going to be really heavy. Man, this is the best day of my life. I've never got anything. Oh, no way he sent me this. No way he sent me this. Man. You know what? In a live chat, me and Jeremy were talking about this. And I remember I was young or whatever, but like I've seen a lot of these purple camels around. And like, you know, my older cousins had them and uncles and people had them. I never had one, man. That is so sick he sent me one. I was always talking about maybe getting one, but I didn't want to put out the price for one either. And I didn't really care if it was in good condition or not. Like, so Jeremy probably loved it back in the day. Yeah, oh, good. Scrap insert for parts. I can put a new insert in this. Not an issue there. Man, that is so sick. Thank you so much, Jeremy. I'm going to give this some TLC too. I'm going to put a new insert in this. I'm going to love this up, man. I might even change this as an everyday carry for a while. I'm going to be honest. I probably will. And this Marlboro one too. Damn, man. Like, this is amazing. This is amazing. I can't believe the reach my channel made, man. And people are just like so cool in the world. Like, this is awesome. Like, this is a part of a collection here. Like, for some people, all this would be a collection. Like, that would be an entire collection. Jeremy sent me an entire Zippo collection. This is insane. I've never, like, well, I have had it happen, but like not this many. Oh, another camel. Oh, and it's a Zippo too. April too, my birthday. Like I said, my birthday's tomorrow. Turkish domestic blend. Man, this is sick. I love the engraving on that too. This is a cool lighter. This is the package I'm used to looking at. Like when I think of camel, this is what I think of. This is what instantly comes to my head, other than this purple image and Joe Cool camel over here. So I don't know. I didn't open these in any specific order, so I don't know what if this was the best for last. They're all amazing. Oh, this is that Salem one he was talking about. This is from Salem. Oh, a 90s one from Salem. Black mat, obviously. I guess this had to do with the hometown Salem. Jeremy was telling me about it. There's some cool story behind it, and wow, man. And then he sent me a magnetic stand. Oh, that actually works really good. Okay, so what I didn't realize is I always thought these magnetic stands were plastic. This whole thing's solid metal. Like these are nice. I suggest everyone buy one. I was gonna buy one, but now that Jeremy gave me one, I don't know if I'll need to. $9.99 on Zippo.ca, so probably only $7 American or something like that for you guys if they sell them on Zippo.com. Man, this thing is crazy. And so what else did he send me? There's just so much things. He sent me a bunch of Zippo stickers. And because Jeremy was nice enough to send me some of these stickers, I'm going to be raffling one sticker there and 2 stickers here off on the live stream. Jeremy was, nice enough to donate. I'm going to do the same. I'm going to have a raffle for one of these Zippos too on here. Jeremy, man, wow, this video is running super long. I don't even know if I can hold this video. I would have to edit it down. Thank you so much, man. This is amazing. What an mystery unboxing video. This blew my mind. All cool stuff. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you in the next one. I got to cut this out.